Welcome to my talk. I'm glad so many of you could make it after lunch. So let's jump right in. Where's the clicker? Oh, right here. All right, let's see if that will work. This way. All right. First off, an acknowledgement. Nextflex is mostly funded through the Air Force Research Lab. The things that I will be presenting here are not necessarily any official policy. All right, first of all, a few words about what Nextflex is about. We are one of 18 manufacturing USA institutes. Each of these institutes is working on a specific technology. In our case, that technology is additively manufactured hybrid electronics. At our core, we are a consortium out of more than 200 members and partners that come from government agencies, the industry, and academia. Out of these, of this consortium, we formed 11 different technical working groups, which are all focused on a certain interest area. They work out annual roadmaps and do market analysis, and then come up with what the gaps are that we should be working on. And then we turn those into project calls. So far, we've gone through 9 project calls. Some of them are still ongoing. 100 projects overall have been funded with $145 million, including cost share. And we're currently in the review phase of the next project call, number 10, which will probably be awarded in the August timeframe. All the information that gets generated in those project calls gets reported back into the consortium. So every member of Nextflex has access to all that information. Most of the weeks we have 2 webinars going on, mostly Tuesdays and Thursdays. And we're also having several events during a year. The biggest one for Nextflex is Innovation Days, which just happened in March, the end of March of this year. There will be another one next month. Another integral part of our mission is workforce development. Our EWD team is very successful in that area. We have programs running in 12 states at the moment, and so far over 27,000 participants have gone through one of these programs. It's focused on K-12 students, but also on professionals from the technical training and consulting. And here we go. The big one for us, for my team, is the Nextflex Technology Hub. We didn't only want to be the ones who distribute the money into the consortium, but also be an active player in that. So we have a fairly good lab set up with a lot of different printing technologies and assembly. We do our in-house designs and have firmware and software people so that we can really work out entire systems. This is what our membership looks like. Just a quick look. Don't worry if you can't see it all fast enough. So you can see a lot of representation out of academia. We have equipment manufacturers, material, and design places in there, and of course, representatives from the industrial space. Now, this is a look at what we do. It's one of our toolboxes, I want to say, although it's one of the bigger ones. We do build complex integrated systems, and what you see in those bubbles around it is just things that we can choose from to add to our systems to create full devices. In terms of communication, almost everything we do right now has Bluetooth communication. Sometimes we add NFC to that, and in some rare cases, we've also used ultra-wideband radio. For power, we've used a lot of, integrated rechargeable batteries. We've done it with wireless charging or just wired through a USB cable. And you can see a whole big selection of sensors that we have been using in the last 10 years or so. Here are a few examples of devices that we've built. Many of them are built around the basic building block of what is our own flexible microcontroller, which is currently